Welcome back to the Car Review channel. Hello, EV enthusiasts. Get ready to be electrified because today we're diving into the world of Polestar, the Swedish automaker that's making waves in the premium EV space. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about the exciting developments in the EV world. Polestar is gaining momentum with its range expansion, spearheaded by the Polestar 3 SUV and 4 SUV Coupe. But today, we're focusing on the grand touring pinnacle for the luxury brand, the Polestar 5. Remember Polestar's stunning Precept Concept from 2020? The Polestar 5's design is a near-mirror image of that concept's gorgeous styling. It sports a mammoth glass roof and finely tailored surfacing. The body has been tweaked for increased curvaceousness below the shoulder line, and a deeper cutaway insert frames the lower sills and bumper. The interior is minimalist and luxurious, emphasizing sustainable materials. Trim elements use 3D knit made from 100% recycled PET bottles and woven flax fibers. Tech goodies include a digital cockpit, Bowers and Wilkins audio, and a large touchscreen display powered by Android Automotive featuring over-the-air (OTA) updates. The Polestar 5 features an in-house developed bonded aluminum platform. The fastest 5 that's equipped with a dual motor system will send 872 HP, 650 kW, and 664 lb-ft, $900 Nm to all 4 wheels. It will feature an 800-volt architecture enabling competitive fast charging and has a driving range above 300 miles, 483 km. An advanced LiDAR system developed with Luminar will allow Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities in certain conditions. The Polestar 5 will compete against seriously brilliant competition in a ballooning EV segment. Rivals include Porsche's Taycan, Audi e-tron GT, BMW i7, Mercedes-Benz EQS, Cadillac Celestiq, Tesla Model S, Lucid Air, and the new Lotus Emea. Production will be based at Geely's new EV factory in Chongqing, China. An official reveal is tipped to occur in the coming months, with deliveries starting to roll out in spring 2024. As for pricing, it's still too early to tell, but it's expected to start from around $100,000. Would you consider the Polestar 5 over its rivals? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of EVs.